Don't toss old coffee, try this instead. Pour the leftover coffee into an ice tray. Freeze it until the cubes are solid. Blend the coffee cubes with 3 tablespoons cocoa and 300 milliliters milk. Add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Cover and blend everything thoroughly. It's now ready to serve. Pour the mixture into a mug. Top with whipped cream if desired. Add a straw and enjoy your drink. See how amazing, quick, and tasty this is? It's a great way to reuse leftover coffee. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.